Zapier alternative, which is claimed to be 33 times less expensive than it. There is something like that, and we are going to cover it in this short video. And the name of service provider is integrately.com. They are relatively new to the market, and for every new sign up through invitation links, they are giving away 500 tasks per month. You can find the link invitation in the description section below to claim your 500 free tasks per month. When one clicks on the link, they are presented with a simple sign up form like what you see on this window. You just have to fill in your basic details and enter sign up, and you are done. A dashboard will be shown to you. As you are already searching for alternative to Zapier, you must already know what Zapier is and what it offers, what it is capable of. But most of the people are looking for alternative because Zapier may seem a bit costlier. So Integrately, which claim to be 18x to 33x more cheaper or maybe less expensive as compared to Zapier, let us compare their plans. As seen on the integrately.com website, under pricing section, their free plan claim to offer 200 tasks for free as compared to Zapier, which offers only 100 tasks. And it also says it offers 5 automations. And if I'm not wrong, Zapier offers only one under its free plan. The starter paid plan offers 14,000 tasks in Integrately, whereas Zapier at the same pricing offers 750 tasks only, which is very less if we compare numbers. Then it also offers 20 automation, multiple steps, and other things. You can check it out on the website. It is important to note that there is some special offer, and under that they are providing 14,000 task limit. So it might be limited. Also, they are giving 14 days free trial. How it works? The UI is pretty simple. You just have to select the apps or platforms which you need to connect. Then it shows you the list of some predefined combinations of the ways in which you can connect the apps. You just have to select the different actions and activate after testing, which is quite similar to how we do it in the Zapier. There might be a question in your mind: should you go for it or not? Is it reliable? Few things you should take into account are: the service provider is relatively new. So the strategy should be to try the trial version, check if all the required automations are working correctly in Integrately, and if they are, then you can definitely shift to Integrately paid plan as required. Did I try few automations myself? Yes, I definitely. We successfully connected ConvertKit with Instamojo and we are already using it. So visit the link in the description, sign up, get your 500 tasks and check if all required automations are working in Integrately for you. If yes, bingo. See you in the next video.